Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lightening eyes effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now I wanna add a lightening eyes effect. This is the newest effect on CapCut. So you just click on the effect at the bottom, click on it, and then click on body effect. And at the menu you can click on the hardware, this one, click on it. And in here you can click on lightening eyes, this one, the newest effect on CapCut. So just click on it and click check icon in here. After this you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom, this one, click on it. You can adjust for the color, and then you can adjust for the glow, for the filter, for the intensity, and then for the range. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom, this one, click on it, and set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add lightening eyes effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.